Hello everyone, my name is Ashley Yeo and I'm a lawyer practicing in Malaysia. If you have been following cryptocurrency graph lately, you may have noticed that there's an uptrend of cryptocurrency lately with a dip in mid-April and it quickly climbs upward again. In the previous video, I shared about the brief idea of cryptocurrency and blockchain and whether cryptocurrency is legal in Malaysia. In this video, we are going to discuss about three main areas in relation to digital assets in Malaysia. They are Digital Asset Exchange, the DAX, Initial Exchange Offering, the IEO, Digital Asset Custodian, the DAC. We are going to split this video into 4 parts. Principal legislations governing cryptocurrency in Malaysia, trading cryptocurrency in Malaysia, legal or not, ICO and IEO, legal or not, and lastly, the Digital Asset Custodian, the DAC. The relevant timestamps actually stated here, so please feel free to skip to the parts which you think is relevant to you. Let me just quickly bring you through the principal legislations governing cryptocurrency or digital assets in Malaysia. They are the Capital Market Services Act (CMSA), Capital Market Services Prescription of Securities, Digital Currency and Digital Token Order 2019, which we call the 2019 Prescription Order, Guidelines on Recognized Markets, and Guidelines on Digital Assets. Now you may ask, can you trade cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ether in Malaysia? Is it legal? The answer to this is yes. However, the cryptocurrency that can be traded in Malaysia are limited to Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and Ripple. The SC has registered 3 RMOs in Malaysia to establish and operate DAX in Malaysia. They are Luno, Synergy, and Tokenize. So now, we know that trading cryptocurrency in the registered DAX in Malaysia is legal. How about ICO and IEO? Are they legal in Malaysia? What do you think? You may have heard of ICO, which is called the Initial Coin Offering in Malaysia. For ICO, the tokens will be sold directly from the issuer to the investor. However, the ICO was largely unregulated in the past and has caused a lot of scams and undesired problems of fraud. The SC has further warned the public that operating, issuing and distributing digital tokens in Malaysia without obtaining registration and authorization from the SC is an offence, and you may be liable to a fine on conviction of 10 million ringgit or imprisonment for a term of not exceeding 10 years, or both, upon the registration of the IO platform operator by the SC in Malaysia. The issuer will be able to issue digital tokens through the IO platform in Malaysia. This will be an alternative means to the fundraising from the traditional fundraising methods such as the IPO, P2P financing, and also equity crowdfunding. However, you should note that the maximum fund that the issuer is allowed to raise on the IO platform will be 20 times the shareholders' fund or capital funds in the case of LLP, which is limited liability partnership, in any 12 months period, and subject to a ceiling of 100 million ringgit. Further, there will be an investment limits imposed on the investors who are interested to invest via the IO platform. For sophisticated investors that is defined under the CMSA, there is no restriction on the investment amount. For angel investors such as the high net worth individuals who are Malaysian tax residents may invest a maximum sum of 500,000 ringgit within any 12-month period. And lastly, for retail investors who are not sophisticated investors or angel investors may invest a maximum of 2k per issuer with a total investment limit of not more than 20k within any 12 months period. However, just note that the application for IO platform operator has been closed as the deadline was in February 2021. To regulate the custody of the digital assets, the SC has also further regulated the Digital Asset Custodian, which is the custody service for digital assets. The Digital Assets Custodian, which is called the DAC, are very similar to the trustee's role in safekeeping of fiat. Fiat is our usual form of money. The DAC actually plays a very important role within the digital assets ecosystem to safeguard the digital assets of the investors. Just note that there's no deadline for the application of DAC as of now. Hope the information provided to you are helpful to you. Please feel free to comment down below if you have any questions or any other related topics which you would like me to discuss. I will update this channel on a weekly basis on every Thursday at 8 PM discussing law related topics, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, and bye bye!